What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to our story. I will show you an amazing video that was just published by Crucial Mix and MMTLP Studios. Then I will show you an update in regards to the latest data of trading station issue. And at the end of this video, I will share with you an extremely important information regarding the transferring shares to AST. So stay tuned, and before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. And that's it guys, just hit the like button and let's go forward. Let's start with this news, and I covered it several days ago. On MMTLP Resources you can find this article that is titled New Video Collusion Drops Friday. And we know that Crucial Mix is in the team which is producing these videos, and let me show you that he published this video. It is almost 19 minutes long video, and I have to say it is an amazing video. You have to watch it by yourself and you have to make your own conclusion how important this video might be for MMTLP community. And let me quote you what did Crucial Mix write. It's here, the new updated and revised version of collusion. Please share this version of our mini documentary that shows fraud and corruption in the US stock market with MMTLP. This video is a collaborative effort between MMTLP Studios and MMTLP Resources for the benefit of the community. Watch the video here or on the MMTLP Studios homepage. Video directed by Crucial Mix and produced by MMTLP Studios and Patrick Keaveney. So, guys, I will share this link with you, and I highly suggest you to watch this video because it is an amazing video, and I think this video will definitely help us to attract more attention to our problem and to explain the problem of MMTLP community and the problem of the entire US stock market. So, let me show you this post that was published just 12 hours ago by Junk Savvy, and we have a new update in regards to the trading station issue. She wrote, breaking news, naked short position exposed, confirmed MMTLP shareholders have validated 202% of trade stations allocated registered stock certificates. Trade stations official allocated certificates at AST should be 122,622. Shareholders validated shares are 246,556 shares and counting. And this is the evidence that we have a share imbalance and we have a huge short position on MMTLP stock, and we had it back in December of 2022. So let me show you further information, and I want to give huge shout out to Johnny Tobacco, because he is trying to attract Joe Rogan's attention. He wrote this tweet just 5 hours ago. Hey Joe Rogan, you're the man for the people. Come on, 65,000 Americans got screwed out of billions. MMTLP, I'm not a shareholder, but have investigated the entire scam. These people need your voice. We need your voice, please consider. And yes, a lot of people lost their money, and we know exactly that there is a huge problem on the US stock market, and we have to attract as much attention as we can in order to solve this problem, not only for us, but for the entire stock market and for the entire retail community. By the way, guys, let me show you this tweet in response to Johnny Tobacco's statement. A slot wrote, how do you come up with billions? And Johnny Tobacco wrote, 165 million shares. Stock closed 8 on December the 7th. Also was indicating 500 to 2,000 post market on December the 8th and pre-market on December the 9th. So at minimum, I think it was worth $8, which is $1.3 billion in total. This could be much more, but to me, this is the fair number. And let me show you the historical prices for MMTLP. On December the 8th, and we are on investing.com in this section of MMTLP shares, and the closing price was at $2.9, but the day before this date, we had about $7 price, and it was hovering in between $9.9 all the way down to $7. Next one, previous day, December the 6th, the closing price was $8.18, and it was opened at 7.15 and closed at 5.04. And in general, I have to say that the average price is a bit higher than $8. And I think right before the last couple of trading days, we might use this number as an equilibrium price, which should reflect the intrinsic value of these shares. And that is why we have about $1.3 billion of potential damages. So let me show you further. Yesterday, I showed you this tweet that was written by John Burda in response of the opinion that he was guilty when MMTLP stock became tradable. He wrote this: whoever filed to trade the options and whoever filed to trade the Series A prefs is the source of the problem, period. You find that out, you have your defendants potentially in a RICO suit, as they were all acting together. And Mark Basil just 6 hours ago wrote this: MMTLP, that's exactly what Steamroller is trying to do with its NYS petition. And we know that Steamroller filed a petition against these wrongdoers, and Mark Basil even stated that potentially it might be a RICO lawsuit that is extremely powerful tool that we have, and because of this, a lot of people might go to the jail, and this is the real danger for the wrongdoers. So, and let me show you quite interesting update and very important if you still thinking of transferring your shares to AST and you have some problems with it. Meta News reposted the tweet that was made by Liz from Wisconsin, and she wrote: MMTLP, just passing the info. Please read if you are having issues transferring to AST. This came from the Ombudsman's office. And let me quote you this screenshot. If you are having difficulty transferring your next bridge hydrocarbon shares to AST, or you otherwise believe your broker-dealer has not provided a satisfactory explanation to your questions, please send a complaint to the SEC's Office of Investor Education and Advocacy, OIEA. And here's the link, and you can find this link right here, and in general you will find this link on Meta News Twitter account. And this link leads to this page where you can file a complaint and where you can describe all the issues that you potentially have with your transferring your shares to AST. And guys, I'm still receiving a lot of questions from you, and you're asking me about the transferring shares to AST, pros and cons of this procedure. Guys, it's up to you. But the main pro of this procedure is that you will be eligible for the additional dividends from the NBH new company that will be established somewhere in the future, and that will give you an additional intrinsic value to your shares. And the main downside of this transferring is following. If you're still thinking that we will have the solution in form of 2 additional days of trading, and in my personal opinion it is the least probable outcome, but nevertheless you might argue that if you transfer shares to AST you will not be eligible for the transferring them back. But in my opinion, if it ever happens, we will be able to transfer our shares back in order to use these 2 additional days of trading. On top of that, another problem that you might have is that if you have a very small number of shares, just several shares in general, and your broker-dealer might charge you some fees for the transfer, it might not worth this game might not worth these candles, because your transferring fee might be much higher than the potential value of your shares, and in this case definitely you have to basically relax and wait for the resolution itself. You will not be eligible for this additional dividends, but the overall value of your shares is not so high, and this means in the grand scheme of things you will not feel this difference. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.